Hi guys, bonjour mes amis, I'm Booger, welcome aboard. Well now you know what's in the title, but I've never done this. I just saw it on my buddy's channel, Doublejbbq, two dudes with their names starting with J's. They did their version of this video that I saw it circulating online of this deep fried burger, where you wrap your burger in bread dough and then just fry the whole thing. Well, they did their own version with roast, and I mean, anyways, go check it out. It's awesome. Tell them Booger sent you. So we're gonna try our own little twist on it and see how the air fryer does. Okay, you guys ready? Go, chin chin. So I have a pound of ground turkey here, and to that I'm gonna put half teaspoon of sea salt and fresh ground black pepper. And then I love to do this with my burgers. Sazon from Badia, love it. So we're gonna put some of that in there. No breadcrumbs or anything, just seasoning. So let me mix this up and we'll be back. All right, so that's mixed up and I flattened it out in that pan. Wait, let me do this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make 2 big burgers out of this, okay? So split that in 4. Like so. So we're gonna take 1 scoop out of there. Like that. I've got some provolone cheese, just deli cheese. That's what I got in the fridge. That's what I'm using, okay? And I think it's Colby Monterey Jack, something like that, okay? Whatever cheese works, you guys. And then I'm going to take a second one of these, flip my jiggers, like so. And I'm just going to make a big bowl out of it. Big bowl. Cover all your ends. Oh, yes. Okay. So there you go. So I'm going to make the second one and we'll be back. So you thought that was going to be it. Oh no. I got some bacon. We're going to wrap it in bacon. I don't know how many slices I'm going to need, so I'm going to go crisscross first. If you can't do bacon, I feel so bad for you. I really do. And just crisscross it that way. Doesn't have to be perfect, you guys. Come on. So that's what I'm going to do. Alright, so let me do it to the other one. And we'll be back. So, now, if I was using ground beef, I would... Okay, here they are. You guys, look. Okay. If I was using ground beef, because it gives out a lot of grease, I would not put any oil in there, because it's going to create its own grease. But because I got ground turkey, I'm going to use my favorite, Tsang Stir Fry oil. I'll put some of that to where I'm gonna lay those patties in. And listen, that bacon's gonna create some grease too, so not a whole lot, just a couple drops, okay? So let's put them in there. And I'm pretty much gonna cook this till the bacon is done, which will be, we'll see. I'm gonna put it, let's see, I'm gonna put it the bottom on, the top one. Let me put it at a 3, so we'll be back. Just to let you know, it's been about 10 minutes. I bumped it up to 4 just now because I want that bacon cooked right now, because I think the innards are cooked perfectly. So we'll be back. Alright guys, I did rotate them because it seems, I'm not going to lift it up because that's too much work. It seems like I've never had to rotate anything in the DeLonghi till now. Like the bacon was getting cooked more on this side than in the back side, so I just turned them around. So I'm going to do this for a couple more minutes, but it's almost done. We're about 15 minutes in. Alright guys, that didn't take but 2 minutes, I'm telling you. It didn't take long. I'm going to say it's done. I'm going to try to show it to you, because it's hot and sizzling, as you can hear. Oh yeah. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to let that cool, and then I'm going to put the burgers together. And that grease is going to stay right in there. Oh yeah, it is. Yep. This is Amish biscuit dough. that I had done from Linda's Pantries. And it's from Brad and Christy on Big Homestead. Okay, I gotta get it right. Anyways, I'll put the links to their channels. But that's this recipe. And I had leftover rolls that I didn't use, and I just put it in the freezer. And I just thawed it out, and that's what that is. So here I have some ketchup and some Cajun mustard. Okay. I'm not crazy about ketchup or mustard, but we're trying to make a cheeseburger, right? So that's what I'm going to do there. And then we're going to put the burger in there. Yeah, that's burnt cheese that oozed out. We're not wasting any of that. I don't have any pickles. I have pickled green beans and yellow beans. So that's what I'm using. That's what's going on there. You hear some jets? Because we're close to military bases. I'm going to use yellow and green. They're both delicious. You can eat them raw, put them in a salad, whatever floats your boat. Okay, so we're gonna stretch this over. Stretch that over. All of it. And this is gonna be our extra that we don't need right here. You don't want it too doughy. Close the gaps if they opened up. Well, there you go. So we're putting that in the fryer. There's bacon grease in there. So I'll show you what's next. Let me regroup. Alright guys. So I just started. It's like 2 minutes in. So I got an egg white here that I mixed up with a fork. And this is going to help it just get nice and golden, stay together, and you know, all that goodness. All right, so we're gonna do it again, so don't throw that out. We'll be back. Let's check it out. That was probably 10 minutes. Oh my god. Oh man, look at it. Look at that donut. So we're gonna let it cool, we're gonna plate it, and we're gonna eat it. Well, we're gonna taste it. Okay, so we'll be back. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Oh my god, this. Look, would you just look at it? Just like Bill Gaddy would say. Oh. What? Why didn't we think about this before? Like, instead of eating a burger with 2 buns, just wrap the bun around the burger. Yep, that just happened. So we're going to cut it open and we're going to see what it looks like. I'm sure it's too hot to taste, but here we go. Let me zoom in, you guys. Okay. Should I take a picture? Hang on, let me take a picture. Get onto it, but it's so hot, you guys. Oh, it's so hot. Okay. One more split. Ooh, that's hot. Oh, yeah. You guys. Oh, come on. You might come on. Come on. Come on. Can you guys see? Look at. It's got green beans on the rim on the outside. Pickled green beans. And then the cheese, le fromage, puis les palettes de fèves. Les haricots de fèves. Okay. We're gonna let that cool. Whew. We'll be back. Alright. Let's test this out. I mean, come on. Can you guys see the green bean? I mean, just like crazy. This is crazy. See the green bean over there? Green bean? Yellow bean, green bean? Okay. That's enough of that. Okay. So. Oh my god, my mouth is watering. Trying to get the cheese, the burger, and the green bean. Crispy goodness. Check it out. Yep. Just did that. You see the steam? I'm going for it though. Taking one for the team. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Wow. Okay. That bacon, the ketchup and mustard really did the trick, you guys. I hate to say it because I'm not crazy about both those things. And the tartness of the dill pickle, dill bean there. Fabulous. That just happened. This is freaking awesome, you guys. Oh my gosh. I'm going to leave a link to this dough recipe. It's actually an Amish roll recipe, but it works perfect for this. Whatever cheese you got, whatever. It doesn't freaking matter, man. That shit is good. Sorry, pardon my French, but that shit's good. Alright, thanks for shopping. Bye.